Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the boundary boss base feature, which is a bit similar to the Loft, but I prefer to use it. It's a bit more robust, and we'll take a look at some of the detail that's needed to make it. We'll also take a look at a couple of other fillet options which we haven't looked at before. We've looked at the fillet tool, but there's different types of fillets you can use. It's a really good tool, and I just thought there's a couple of things I'd share with you. Alright guys, let's jump in and have a look. So here we have the objective of today. We'll take a quick look at the boundary feature just so you can see how it was created. And we've created a sketch on this face and a sketch on that face, and then we've got these guide curves. So we're basically lofting in this direction, and then we've got two guide curves that help form the shape that we want. We've got some full round fillets, cut extrudes, chamfer, and a fillet on the end, and then a shell to finish up. Alright, let's have a look. So if we come up to here and sketch on this plane, and if we make this rectangle 100mm by 40mm, it's nice. And then if we go reference geometry, plane, as we've done previously, let's make a plane 100mm offset from there, and we're going to sketch on this plane. We're going to select these entities, discard that a minute. We're sketching on that plane. We are going to offset that one by 10mm and offset down the bottom by 10mm, and we'll offset these sides by 20mm, 25, and then if we just and I don't know if we've used this tool yet, but we use the trim tool. It's a really nice tool. If you come up here, trim, I like to use the power trim. Really nice. You just hover over the sketch entities and trim away what you don't want. There we go. So we've got our two rectangles here. Then we're going to come onto this plane and we're going to sketch, and we're going to use the spline. I'm just going to put that one there for a minute. I'll put that one there, and then we'll come up to the top, and now we'll define them, and we're going to use a pierce relation here, and that basically means that the point is going to intersect on the line that we select. Do that for both sides. And as I said at the start, there's a bit more build up to this feature, but the end result is worth it. Come up to the top, and now we're just going to define these directional arrows. We'll make them perpendicular to the plane, so we know there's a nice transition. We'll do the same for this one. Perpendicular, perpendicular, and we will do the definition. It's like the power of the spline to fully define them, and we're going to make them all the same, which is 150. And there we go. So now we have the fundamental building blocks for our boundary boss base feature. So direction 1, if you treat this like a loft, so we're saying that that rectangle profile is going to loft to the other rectangular profile. Direction 2, now you can use right click selection manager as a really powerful tool. It allows you to select separate segments from similar sketches. You've got loads of different options here. Select closed loop, select open loop, select region. There we go, look. So it has created us our basic profile. Now we'll come up to the fillet feature, and today we're going to take a look at the full round fillet, which is a really nice tool. Oh, hang on then, let's get that one. There we go. I select them. They do need to be selected in the right order, which is what I didn't do at the start. So we'll come around, we'll do the same on this side. So we go top face, middle face, bottom face. And there we go. If I come up here and hide the planes, gives us a really nice smooth transition. So it's looking good. We're going to come onto this face and we're going to sketch. We're just going to put a couple of circles in there. Make the circle horizontal to the origin, and we'll call it 40mm diameter, or maybe 45, and we will make it 40mm from that. And we're going to put a line here. I'm just going to mirror the sketch over, so for construction, infinite length, but we'll make sure it's coincident with the origin. We will mirror this circle about that line. Just come in and do an extrude cut for 10mm. And I think just to finish off, if we come with a chamfer, call it 2mm on these faces. And trying to think what else there was. There was a fillet on the top edge. And a shell. There we go. That is our part for today. Alright then guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, please comment on the video. Also, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And let me know if you're going to try out some of these features we looked at today. If you haven't used the boundary boss space before, are you going to give it a go now, or are you going to have a play with some of the other fillet options that we've looked at? Yeah, let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.